BlackBerry Classic is designed for QWERTY fans and productivity-driven communicators, with a spacious BlackBerry keyboard crafted for speed and accuracy. Before you start typing on the keyboard, let's adjust the settings to match your typing style. Navigate to your smartphone settings and tap Language and Input. Here, you will be able to customize your typing experience. To turn on prediction, which makes the typing experience faster by suggesting words while you type, tap Prediction and Correction. Then, slide the Show Prediction slider right to turn on. Now, let's check out how the keyboard works. Just start typing and see how smart it really is. Notice the word bar that appears on the bottom of the screen? These are personalized next word suggestions that are tailored to what you say frequently. To use one of these words, simply tap the word. It makes completing your thought quicker. It also has you covered when you're trying to spell those tricky words. Just tap the green word to confirm it's the correct word. To type symbols or numbers, press the symbol key on the keyboard and tap the desired item on the screen. You can also press the Alt key to type alternates appearing on the keyboard. To type a capital letter, just tap the Shift key and press a letter, or press and hold a letter until it turns into a capital letter. If the letter has the option of accented characters, these will appear in the predictions bar. Deleting a word is also easy. Just press the Delete key once to delete single letters, or press and hold to delete a large section of text. And with automated assistance, you can save valuable time by using shortcuts, like double tapping space to end a sentence. The BlackBerry keyboard already does so much for you, why not let it do it all? Touch and hold the microphone key, wait for the beep, and then say what's on your mind and watch the magic happen.
These are also typically the goals and performance indicators of sales management.
Reviewing what you wrote earlier is easy by scrolling up or down the page with a trackpad. If you need to precisely move around your document, you can use the trackpad to navigate the cursor.